Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Before starting the topic, let us understand the terms with the help of example. If we take water in a beaker and add sugar to it, the sugar will get dissolved in the water and it will give the sugar solution. The solution is also a type of mixture. So the mixture obtained will have the sugar particle and the water particle. But it will be difficult to identify both the components. Means the components of sugar and water cannot be easily separated or identified, as in the case of oil in water. When oil is mixed with water, the oil starts floating on the surface of water because of low density. In this example, we can identify the components of oil and the components of water easily. Also, there is a boundary which helps to separate both the components. But in case of sugar solution, there is no boundary. Neither we can identify the particles of sugar and water sugar solution in the sugar solution. So we can explain the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture on the basis of above observation. As in homogeneous mixture, the constituent particles are uniformly distributed, they are mixed in a even manner. But in case of oil in water mixture, the particles were not distributed in a uniform manner. In case of sugar solution, the components were not separated by a definite boundary. So the sugar solution will be an example of homogeneous mixture. But in case of oil in water, the oil and water, both the components were separated by a physical boundary. So oil in water is an example of heterogeneous mixture. And in case of sugar solution, we cannot see the sugar particles and the water particles easily. That means the constituent of the homogeneous mixture cannot be seen easily. But in case of heterogeneous mixture, the constituent particles can be seen easily as in case of oil in water mixture. The constituent particles in homogeneous mixture cannot be separated so easily as in the case of heterogeneous mixture, as we can separate the oil from water easily in case of separating the sugar from water. Some examples of homogeneous mixture are sugar solution, we have studied soda water, soft drinks, vinegar, etc. And some examples of heterogeneous mixture are sugar and sand, mixture of sugar and sand, milk, ink, paint, wood, blood, etc. All are the examples of heterogeneous mixture.